Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Sector has recovered almost half, 46%, of pre-pandemic 2019 levels. Tourism and hospitality industry welcomes INR 50k crore exclusive credit support under ECLIX. Akasa Air has strong financials to place order for more planes. CEO. Losses during COVID times to be compensated. Bihar Tourism Minister Kumar Sarvajit. Trivandrum, Kerala gets ready to celebrate Onam in big way. India needs to be repositioned to narrate a new story. Rupendra Barar. Project Cheetah to bring back the big cat in India, help in re-establishing species in historical range. Backlog pushes US visa interview wait times to 18 months. Students, travelers face brunt. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.